the funniest pickup lines of all time. Picking someone up can be a tricky task, but sometimes all it takes is a good sense of humor and a clever pickup line. In this video, we'll take a look at the funniest pickup lines of all time. Whether you're looking to start a conversation, break the ice, or simply make someone laugh, these pickup lines are sure to get the job done. Let's start with some classic pickup lines. Do you have a map? I keep getting lost in your eyes. This line is a great way to compliment someone and get the conversation going. Another classic is excuse me, but I think you dropped something. My jaw. This line is a great way to make someone laugh and put them at ease. Next, let's look at some cheesy pickup lines. Are you a magician? Every time I look at you, everyone else disappears. This line may be a bit cheesy, but it sure makes someone smile. Another cheesy line is, are you a time traveler? Because every time I look at you, the rest of the world disappears. This line is a great way to show someone that you're interested in getting to know them better. Now let's look at some of the most absurd pickup lines. Do you have a sunburn, or are you always this hot? This line is a great way to break the ice and make someone laugh. Another absurd line is, are you made of gold? Because you're worth a fortune. This line is a great way to show someone that you appreciate their value and worth. Finally, let's look at some of the most unconventional pickup lines. Do you have a name, or can I call you mine? This line is a great way to show someone that you're interested in a relationship. Another unconventional line is, are you a UFO? Because you just abducted my heart. This line is a great way to show someone that you're interested in them in a playful and fun way. Well, we've also scoured the internet and compiled a list of the top pickup lines that are guaranteed to make you laugh and potentially even get you a date. So, let's get started. At number 1, we have I must be a snowflake because I've fallen for you. This line is perfect for those cold winter nights when you're looking to warm someone's heart. It's sweet, romantic, and sure to make your crush smile. At number 2, we have are you a camera? Because every time I look at you, I smile. This line is simple, cute, and it's sure to make your crush feel special. It's a classic pickup line that never goes out of style. At number 3, we have I'm not a photographer, but I can definitely picture us together. This line is playful and flirty, and it's sure to get your crush's attention. It's a great way to break the ice and start a conversation. At number 4, we have are you a genie? Because you just granted my wish. This line is perfect for those looking to make a big impression. It's romantic, charming, and it's sure to make your crush smile. At number 5, we have I must be lost because heaven is a long way from here. This line is sweet and romantic, and it's sure to make your crush feel special. It's a classic pickup line that never gets old. At number 6, we have are you a bank loan? Because you have my interest. This line is clever, charming, and it's sure to make your crush laugh. It's a great way to show your interest in a light-hearted and playful way. Finally, at number 7, we have do you believe in love at first sight, or should I walk by again? This line is classic, playful, and it's sure to make your crush smile. It's a great way to show your interest and start a conversation. In conclusion, these are some of the funniest pickup lines of all time. Whether you're looking for a classic, cheesy, absurd, or unconventional line, these pickup lines are sure to make someone laugh and get the conversation started. Just remember to be confident and have fun with it. And who knows, you might just hit it off with the person you're trying to pick up. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been entertaining and helpful.